Chapter 3, From Tasting to Digesting. Learning Objectives. In this part of the chapter, we are going to understand the meaning of proper food, the importance of nutrients. We'll try to identify nutrients present in food that we eat. We'll find out the harmful effects of eating junk food. And we'll try to understand the effects of wastage of food. Proper food. The food that give us energy, help our body to grow, protect us from diseases is called as proper food. Nutrients. Whatever food we eat, it contains one or the another kind of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and water. Carbohydrates give us energy. Children, now try to identify the food items which contain carbohydrates. I think all of you can identify these food items. These are wheat, rice, oats, potatoes, bread, jaggery. These are the examples of few food items that contain carbohydrates. Fats give us energy like oil, butter, cheese, nuts. These food items contain fats as nutrients. Proteins help our body to grow. Now again, try to identify these food items. Very easy, and I think all of you can identify these food items. These food items are pulses. Pulses means different kind of dals which you eat, milk, curd, paneer, eggs, fish, meat. These are the examples of few food items that contains proteins. Vitamins protect us from diseases, and we get vitamins from green leafy vegetables and seasonal fruits. Water helps us to keep our body hydrated. We drink water every day, and it is said that we should drink at least 2 liters of water every day. We also get water from the fruits and vegetables that we eat. Food and nutrients. Whatever food we eat, that contains one or the another kind of nutrients. Now, if we eat bread and butter, or chapati and potato, chapati, dal and vegetable, rice, meat, curd and salad, chapati, rice, dal, curd and vegetables, or kheer. If we eat the combination of this food, just try to find out the nutrients which are present in these food. Bread and butter contains carbohydrates and fats. Chapati and potato contain only carbohydrate. Chapati contain carbohydrate, dal contain protein, and vegetable contain vitamin. Rice contain carbohydrate, meat and curd contain protein, and salad contain vitamins. Chapati contain carbohydrate, also rice also contain carbohydrate, dal and curd contain protein, and vegetables contain vitamins. Kheer. Kheer is made from rice, sugar and milk. So here in kheer we can get carbohydrate and protein. So children, whatever food you eat, it contains nutrients. Now just try to think of the food which you eat in your breakfast, or in lunch or in dinner, make a list of that and identify the nutrients present in the food. Junk food versus healthy food. All of you, I think, likes the junk food. We know healthy food is good for our body, but then also we pick junk food if given a choice. Yes or no? Why do we do this? Why do we prefer to have a burger instead of fruit salad? Just think out of this and try to find out the answer. Food pyramid. Children, you can see here a triangle shape in which at the bottom is shown the food items which contain carbohydrates. As you know, carbohydrates give us energy. So we should eat carbohydrates more. In the second step, you can see fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables provide us vitamins and minerals. That also we should eat more. In the third one, you can see the food which contain protein, that we should eat moderately. And at the top you can see the food item which contain fats, that we should eat less because it is not good for our health. Now just look at this plate. Our plate must contain some grains like chapati and rice, proteins in form of dal or paneer or meat or fish, whatever you like to eat. Then vegetables, that should be more in quantity, and one or the another kind of fruits also. Along with all these, our food or our diet should contain some dairy products like curd or milk, whatever you like. Good food, good health. Dr. Aparna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Dr. Aparna talked to them to find out more about them and just see what Dr. Aparna found. You can see here two pictures. One is of Rashmi, who is 5 years old, and another is of Kailash, who is 7 years old. In case of Rashmi, she is 5 years but looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. It means stomach like a balloon, and she often falls sick. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. And about food, she is lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in a whole day. It means she does not get enough food to eat. In the second picture, you can see the picture of Kailash here, who is 7 years old. He looks older than his age. His body is fat and flabby. He has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spends many hours watching TV. It means he is not doing any physical work. Now, what food he eats? He does not like to eat home cooked food like dal, rice, vegetables, and roti. The only thing he finds tasty are chips, burgers, pizzas, and soft drinks from the market. And children, I think you also like to eat all this food. And when Dr. Aparna, she talked to these children, she finds that the problem is only one, that both the children are not getting proper food. Proper food is every child's right. You have read about two children. One is Kailash, who does not like homemade food. The other one is Rashmi, who does not get even one proper meal a day. About half the children in our country are like Rashmi. They do not get enough food that they need to grow and develop properly. These children are weak and sickly, but it is right of every child to get proper food. Right to get food. We waste food, but there are many children who do not get even a one meal in a day. They remain hungry and also suffer from many diseases due to not getting sufficient food to eat. So, children, before wasting food, just think about those children who do not get sufficient food to eat. Think before you waste your food. So, always remember, eat good, feel good. Eat healthy, feel healthy. Avoid junk food. Do not waste food. Thank you.